everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So in this particular session, I'm going to share with you whatever material is required for this course. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon.
First thing you will be needing is mold, okay, and all the links will be attached uh, already attached with your email, okay. So this is the mold, and I really love this mold because with the help of this mold you can create some amazing face, okay. So this is the mold which you will be needing for this course, and this is just in one time investment. After that you can make the lots of you can take the bulk order for the faces and you can dispatch it, okay. So I really like this, and I have got this from Amazon, sorry, Flipkart, and there are so many sites. This is the mold is available, okay. And the second thing is clay. See, for myself, or I'm just those who order with me, they saying I don't want any heavy material clay. So I have not used any any hard clay, okay. And this is the super clay 5 rupees packet come in the market, and I really love this clay. And you can use a sakura clay, light clay, okay. Thai clay you can use it. So I am using this clay. You can use molded clay also, and I have made lots of necklaces with molded clay. This process will be the same, okay. And this is the like 5 rupees packet come in the market, and you can get it 3 faces. According to the choice of yours, you can take it. Clay, it's up to you, okay. And the colors, sorry, the first color which you will be needing for the face is sunflower yellow color, black color for eyes, red color for lips, white color for eyes, and orange color to mix in yellow color. So these are the few colors. I know, I think everybody have it colors, but those who want to order the kits, the size, sorry, already you will get the face color face, okay. And if you want to color yourself, you can color it. And glue, I'm using B7000 glue and fabric glue. You will be needing this kind of ring stone, okay, or kundan you can say. And this kind of lace for making crown. White cloth, or you can say you can take any any form sheet also. This is the white. Make sure you have to take the white, whatever the color you are choosing for the crown. I am taking white color for the crown, so I am taking the white sheet, white form sheet, okay. So the both things you will be needing. And the thing is Cody. So see, this is the Cody which available on the Meesho. I have purchased so many Codys, but right now it was an out of stock. So right now when I'm making this tutorial, I have only the word Cody, and other is in I have ordered. And these are lots of Codys are coming, which is in transit, okay. So this is the Cody, okay, which you will be needing for this course. And a few stones, and this is for making the dory. And this is the lace for making our circle broad. And this is the red cloth, scissor, and the felt sheet. This is all what you will be needing. And this is the lace for the crown you will be needing. Okay, so that's all you will be needing for this course.